grief is something which can manifest in several ways, right? It depends upon your association with the cathected object. Cathected object का मतलब है जिस ऑब्जेक्ट से हम अटैच्ड थे वो कितना इंटेंस था, सेंस ऑफ लॉस कितना स्ट्रांग है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक हमारा होम्स एंड राहे स्केल होता है. होम्स एंड राहे स्केल इज व्हाट मेजर्स स्ट्रेस. तो उसमें नंबर वन है डेथ ऑफ स्पाउस, right? So I'm taking an extreme example, or then death of a partner. So whether it's spouse or partner of any kind, right? So जितना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग और इंटेंस हमारी अटैचमेंट थी, सेंस ऑफ लॉस उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. नाउ जब ग्रीफ है तो लोगों के रिस्पॉन्सेज वेरिड हो सकते हैं. इन सम पीपल इट कैन लीड टू एंगर, in some people it can lead to a lot of aggression towards other people. So supposing if I feel that the cause of the loss is external, it's extraneous, then I can become very aggressive towards that. If sometimes I feel that it is because of me, so I have a patient, she is now I think around 50, 52-year-old lady. She was working, she was at her workplace. She and her mother, both of them were used to live in the house, and baki घर में और कोई नहीं था because other siblings have migrated to US and other places. So वो जॉब पे थी, पीछे मदर को हार्ट अटैक हुआ. जो जो पड़ोसी थे वो हॉस्पिटल लेके गए, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी कुड नॉट बी सेव्ड. Now still till date, now it has been I think about 3 years since death, but she still feels guilty at some level, and thereby she has tried to harm herself also. तो अगर लगा, हालांकि वो समझती है कि जॉब पे जाना जरूरी नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ किया नहीं, लेकिन it happened, but still she feels guilty. So that grief has led to sorry severe depression, right? So it can manifest as anger, it can manifest as depression, it can manifest as anxiety, sometimes as OCD symptoms. So it can manifest in various forms. So yes, grief is a very potent feeling which can manifest in multiple ways, sometimes psychosomatic ways. Psychosomatic matlab bodily symptoms, so constant headaches या body aches, so it can manifest in multiple ways.
हेल्थ, फिटनेस और पोषण पर पाए बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स की राय सिर्फ फैमहेल्थ.in पर, और हमारी यूट्यूब पेज माय फैमहेल्थ पर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.